Hey guys, it's your girl Sparkle Style, and today I'm super excited. I am going to be doing an unboxing of Jonathan Adler candles that I have been wanting for a really long time but didn't want to spend the money. So let's see what we've got in this box. I found them on Amazon because when I was going on different sites they were saying like 7 to 10 business days for shipping. We get a little closer. 7 to 10 business days for shipping, and I didn't want to wait that long. And I purchased these candles, and I actually got them really quick. So this is the fragrance that we have. And this is how it comes. Listen, I only see jewelry boxes like this, so I was super excited. Definitely more than a step up from Bath and Body Works, but after you take the paper off, it looks like this, and then bam, like this packaging is amazing. It makes it worth the $100 per candle because just by unboxing, like, it's crazy. It's crazy. And I can smell the candle through the boxes. So I don't know what this is about, but it comes with some type of, I guess, purchase card. Kind of like an authenticity card when you buy in luxury clothes and shoes. So yeah, it has that. And then let's pull the candle out. And it is so cute. I recently purchased a vase like this. I'm waiting for that to come in. But yeah, this is super cute. I wanted something different for my bedroom. So here it is. And I am so happy. It only has one wick though. It smells kind of citrusy, but I don't know what it's gonna burn like. It says up to 500 hours. I'm sorry, 55 hours. But I don't know. I don't think I'd be burning that often, you know, 'cause it's gonna be in the bedroom. But I think it's super cute. So I got two. Let me just go ahead and unbox the other one. Okay guys, so I unboxed them and I have three here. Now, I don't know if I'm telling on myself or not, but I only remember buying two. But I have three. I'm not mad at it, I'm not hating. But I wanted to show you guys where I was going to place them. So, here are the three candles that I purchased. These are the green tea scent, kind of citrusy. I also wanted to show you guys what the lid looked like. Super pretty, right? Class A. These are ceramic candle holders, and the top is some type of a metal, but it's kind of heavy. I think it's super cute. On the top of it, it says who the collaboration is with, and they smell really good. But let's take the first candle over to One Night Stand. I wanted to replace the candle that I had from Bath and Body Works. So these are Christmas scents, and I wanted to let that go and just basically replace it. And I think it goes so much better. I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna place it, but because I have babies that are reaching up that high, but I think it is so cute. I'm also gonna add some more stuff here, but I haven't decided what that's gonna be yet. So yeah, right now I'm replacing the Bath and Body Works candles with these guys, and I'm gonna replace the other one from the other side. And yeah, so I'm gonna figure out a nice way to set it up, and there's gonna be some more vases coming, and this is my Z Gallery vase or jar or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna get something different besides these eucalyptus stems. But right now we're talking about these bomb.com candles, and they smell so good and so strong. I'm just gonna leave it open because the candle, you can already smell it without even lighting it, and I really like that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Excuse me. I was super excited about getting these new candles. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.